So here we will discuss question number 4 of GATE 2018 Civil Engineering morning session. Question is, in a fillet weld, the direct shear stress and bending tensile stress are 50 MPa and 150 MPa respectively. As per IS 800-2007, the equivalent stress is to be calculated, that is 2 in MPa and up to 2 decimal places. So here given parameters are fillet weld, that is direct shear stress small q equals to 50 MPa, while bending shear stress, that is Fa equals to 150 MPa. Now we have to find out equivalent stress denoted by Fe. So here question setter wants to know whether student can be able to solve this particular question with a minute, and can he recall a particular clause from IS 800-2007 related to equivalent stress. So here there are two given parameters, direct shear stress and bending shear stress. From that, equivalent stress is to be calculated. So if we just see this particular clause 10.5.10, which is related to combination of stresses, fillet weld. So it says that when subjected to a combination of normal and shear stress, which is our case, where we both have normal stress as well as shear stress. So equivalent stress is given by the formula Fe equals to square root of Fa square plus rise q square. Now there is check given, that is it should be less than or equals to Fu divided by root 3 gamma mw. Now if we see the parameter Fa is normal stresses, compression or tension, it can be due to axial force or bending moment, while small q, that is the shear stress, due to shear force or tension. Now if we just look at this particular table number 5 of IS 800-2007, partial safety factor for material is given, gamma m. Now this is 1.25, it is given, that is for fillet weld, that is gamma mw. So partial safety factor for material, since we have weld, that is gamma mw, which we will require in case of check. Similarly, we also need ultimate tensile stress. So ultimate tensile stress, so this is equals to 410 MPa, that is minimum. So if we just insert the value of Fa and Q, that is equals to square root of 150 square plus 3 multiplied by 50 square, so that is coming out to be 173.21 MPa. So we have calculated the value of equivalent stress and coming out to 173.21 MPa. Now we'll have to check with this particular equation, that is Fe less than or equals to Fu divided by root 3 into gamma mw, where Fu is the ultimate stress, that is 410 MPa, as we have seen in the last slide, as well as gamma mw, that is the partial safety factor for weld, it is also we have covered it, and that is equals to 1.25. We insert this value into the equation, and that is coming out to be 189.37 MPa. We got our equivalent stress, that is 173.21. Now from here we can say that our equivalent stress of fillet weld, that is equals to 173.21 MPa. Now it is less than 189.37 MPa, so our check is okay. So final answer, equivalent stress of fillet weld, that is equals to this 173.21 MPa. Now here in this particular problem, student has to just recall this particular clause as well as a particular formula to calculate equivalent stress. So we can solve this problem even within 30 to 40 seconds.